Today I am reviewing the Meta Quest 3S 128GB VR headset. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're ready to step into the future of virtual reality, the Meta Quest 3S 128GB VR headset is here to completely transform the way you game, explore, and interact in immersive digital worlds. This isn't just another VR headset. It's a full-scale upgrade that takes your VR experience to the next level with 33% more memory, double the graphical processing power, and the freedom of wireless gameplay. At the heart of the Quest 3S is the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, which powers next-generation graphics and lightning-fast load times. This means you can explore virtual worlds with crisp visuals, seamless transitions, and incredibly smooth gameplay. Whether you're swinging through jungle temples, solving puzzles, or competing in fast-paced VR games, the graphics are sharp, detailed, and immersive. And with 8GB of upgraded RAM, the headset can handle more complex environments and more dynamic interactions without skipping a beat. One of the biggest advantages of the Quest 3S is that it's completely wireless. Say goodbye to tangled cords and restrictive setups. You can move freely, jump, duck, and explore without worrying about hitting a cable. The headset's design encourages active gameplay, so whether you're exercising, dancing, or playing your favorite VR titles, every movement feels natural and unrestricted. Speaking of immersive gameplay, the Quest 3S comes with dual RGB color cameras. These cameras create a high-fidelity pass-through that blends the digital and real world together, letting you interact with your surroundings while still being in the game. This technology makes it easy to stay aware of your real environment while fully immersed in the virtual one, giving you the best of both worlds. Battery life has also seen a boost. With over 2 hours of continuous playtime, you can dive into extended gaming sessions without constant interruptions to recharge. And when you do need to recharge, the process is faster and more convenient than ever. The Quest 3S also comes with instant access to over 40 games, along with an exclusive Gorilla Tag bundle. You get 1,000 shiny rocks and special in-game items to enhance your VR experience right out of the box. With a constantly expanding catalog of games and monthly updates, there's always something new to explore. From high-intensity multiplayer challenges to relaxing VR experiences, the Quest 3S delivers endless entertainment options. Comfort and usability are key for long VR sessions, and the Quest 3S is designed with that in mind. The headset is lightweight and ergonomically built to fit securely without causing strain, making it ideal for gamers, VR enthusiasts, or anyone looking to explore virtual worlds comfortably. In conclusion, the Meta Quest 3S 128GB is not just a VR headset. It's a gateway to immersive experiences. With powerful graphics, expanded memory, wireless freedom, and access to a growing library of games, it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned VR users. Whether you're gaming, exploring, or exercising in virtual reality, the Quest 3S delivers a next-level experience that's truly unforgettable.